Staff attendance is an important feature of IntractERP. It allows staff members to mark their attendance and calculate the record of their work time. Click on Staff Attendance and go to Staff Attendance Settings or Staff Settings. There are two important staff settings: staff attendance categories and leave types. Staff attendance categories helps you to divide the staff members based on their work timings. For example, if you have two batches, you can divide the staff members as per their batches. For example, batch 1 and batch 2. You can divide the staff members as per the timing slots as well. Here we can see I have divided the staff members into three categories: head teachers, teachers and nursery teachers. If you want to add a new staff category, click on Add Staff Category button on the top right and fill in the details. Give the category a name. Do not forget to give it a code. Mention the full day hours of the work staff category. Mention the half day hours as well. If you want to allow overtime to the staff category, then click on the Allow Overtime button and mention the minimum overtime. Now you will have to also mention the shift start and end time. If the category has any flexible working hours, you can click on the flexible working hours button here. And then you will not have to mention a particular shift start and end time of the staff category. If you give the flexible hours option, then the category won't have any particular shift start and end time and will also exempt from the late marks. The payment or the pay slips will be based on the full day hours or the half day hours for the particular category. If you have late mark, then mention the late mark time for the category. Buffer time is nothing but the extra time that will be considered while calculating the attendance. For example, 15 minutes is the buffer time. It means that if the staff member is 15 minutes late, then they won't be marked as late mark. They won't be marked late. Do not forget to mention the weekly off as well. Before you click on submit, you can see the shift timing, buffer time, late mark time and the minimum overtime as well. And lastly, click on submit. This will create a new staff attendance category. Now, beside categories, you can see allocate staff. Click on allocate staff and select the staff you want to allocate a new category. Now, if you want to allocate a staff member a category, click on the drop down button at the right corner in front of the staff name and select the category you want to assign to the particular staff. Then click on proceed. This is how you can allocate staff categories to different staff members. The next staff setting is leave types. These are the different leave types which a staff member is given. You can go on to leave types and click on Add Leave Type button at the top right corner. Create a new leave type. Mention if the leave type is paid or unpaid. And then below, for each staff category, mention the number of allowed days for this particular leave type. Then click on Submit. This gives a staff member a set amount of leaves in the particular leave type. If you see here, all the leave types will show the paid or the unpaid status of the particular leave type. It is important to understand that a staff member cannot mark his or her attendance or apply for leave without a particular staff category assigned to him or her. Thank you.